Hey friends, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to get full free version of Filmora 9 with all premium feature. It is the best editing software in the market. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe to get such technology updates every week, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. The problem with the limited version is that when you complete your editing video and click to the export button on the top of Filmora, it shows you the interface to choose the location of your video and choose the format of your video. Are you want to save to MP4, WMV, AVI, MOV, or so on, MPEG and MP3? But you have to choose the location and the format. At the first use, it asks you to register or sign in, and then you can export your video with the watermark. The major problem is the watermark. This makes your video content terrible. It is written on the video that it is created with Filmora and it covers the major area of your video. You can get rid of this with a few clicks. I am getting you to make this ready. Just disconnect your internet. Either you have the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just click on this Wi-Fi option. I have the Wi-Fi option. I am going to disconnect this. Now go to the top button of this Filmora help button and click on the help button and select the force offline activation button. It will ask you for to fill up license email and registration code. Don't worry, you have to go to this link I have given this description. Scroll down and here you will get the license email and the registration code. Just copy here, Control C and Control V here. Copy and paste license email and the registration code here and click to activate button. When you fill up this form, a submit or activate button will show up here. You have to click on the activate button, and now you are successfully activated the Filmora 9 and get the full free access to the premium feature of Filmora 9. Don't forget to like and share this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get such technology updates every week. Thank you very much.